Welcome to part 3 in a 3-part series of edging fun. If you recall, in edging fun number 1, we just did this part right here with no stones. And then edging fun 2, we did this 3 feet outer edge leading up to the gate, and also with edging fun 2 we added this part, so it was quite a complete edging job, except there was a section missing. This is edging fun number 3. Now, if you haven't seen all 3 parts, I suggest you go back and watch edging 1, 2, and then 3. Well, you're already watching 3, so too bad, but turned out pretty nice. And this will be the final episode in the Episode Fun series. Thank you for participating. Oh, and stay tuned for Spreading Pine Straw, Episode 1.